Chop, chop in the forest green, one woodcutter to be seen. Day by day he works away, on his hands lead the way. Chop, chop near the quiet lake, slip, slip, just a small mistake. Splash, splash, axe goes down, woodcutter looks all around. Whose axe, whose axe, tell the truth, true and true. Whose axe, truth is what we do. Pop, a fairy from the lake, holding up a gold bright axe.